Hello and welcome to Last Spoon Barbecue. Let's make vanilla panacotta. It's very easy. Put 2 leaves of gelatin into cold water and let it soak for 10 minutes. Take a pomegrenade, use a mullet and bang on it. This will help release the seeds. Put them to the side. In a pan, put 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of vanilla powder. I kind of missed out. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes, then add the gelatin after squeezing it. Then just whisk until it's fully dissolved. Put it into glasses, put it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours and let it stiffen up. Once they're set, take them out, and in my case I'm adding a few blueberries on top of the stiffened panacotta. On top of that, some heavy cream. If you want to make this non-keto, just add some sugar to it. And then pomegranate seeds, a leaf of mint, and that's it. Very nice, very quick, and very keto dessert. I loved it.